Everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. We just got this 2024 13 Super Sport in from Boston Whaler. Go ahead and show it to you guys. We got the platinum gel coat hull sides on it, the chrome emblems. We have the black rub rail with stainless steel insert. And one of the things we like doing on the 13s and the 16s is adding the bow rail. It gives you a nice little place to grab onto, especially if you add that cushion up front. Very comfortable place to sit. Back here in the back, one of my favorite features to add to this boat are the bucket seats. They're very, very comfortable, but you can also get the flip-up seats, which are a little less expensive and do the job just as well. We also included the windshield, the black thing behind the steering wheel. I can't pronounce the name. Dash applique or something like that. We have the 6.5 gallon fuel tank in here. This boat is rated for 4 people. Great boat, can fit inside most garages, and can take it just about anywhere. You guys, my name is Billy Folks with MarineMax Houston. Call me if you have any questions. 936-223-6770.